So what's up, big fellas? Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe, and also share with your big homies as well. And hit the Patreon links, donate to the channel so I can continue to make dope content for you guys. And also hit the Amazon links, buy something. You do not have to buy what is linked in order for me to get credit. Those are two ways that you can help this channel out monetarily. It goes a long way. It helps me travel. It helps me buy stuff to review for you guys. And it just goes a long way, man. So help me out. Help this channel out by doing those two things, or one of those two things, and I'll see you guys later. And remember, just because we big don't mean we can't stay fly. Peace.